Hey, hi, Shinant. How are you doing?
Hi, sir. I'm good. How are you?
Second, I'm not been able to hear you properly. Okay, wait 1 second. Let me connect with my phone as well. Wait a sec. Hey, hi, Chiran. Can you hear
Hi,
me
sir.
now?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Second, let me rejoin. Hello, Chiran. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yeah, you are audible, sir.
Your voice is low.
My
Sure
voice is
why.
low. Not sure.
Okay, no problem. Let
Okay.
me let me share my screen and
Okay.
so let me open the app.
Mhm.
So, what are the steps we performed? Oh, already changed the version, yeah.
Ours is that
Global parameter number one has changed.
global parameter that is fine. Right? We can change.
Okay, so what happens like first step we do that. This is for data collection. Data monitor is basically the data collection
Data
steps.
collection.
So here we
That was
uh,
successful. Data collection
yeah
was
pull the
successful.
data. So how we can pull the data? So we can pull the data using this flexible upload. We can select the file.
Yeah.
Then it's a reporting data. So that just check the data. Line item validation. So we need it validates the line item. This is for universal general.
Sir,
So
just
it
one
is
thing
grayed
here.
out.
These one question. These are all the things, whatever you are showing. These are all the tasks, right? In the data monitor.
Tasks are task one,
Yeah, so
first, second, third,
yeah,
fourth,
this
fifth.
task is a standardized from SAP, or we can customize it as per our requirement.
We can customize, but generally this is standard.
Okay. So if I go to any version, right, in the data monitor, these steps are
So,
standard.
yes, version wise, this task are there. Okay.
Okay. If I want to edit any of the task, or let us say I want to add this threshold level, or a error something, how I can put that in the data, sorry, in the reporting level, or in the validation, sorry, in the validation part.
So basically, if we go to the group reporting,
Console. Yeah.
first FS item configuration, define FS
Yeah.
items attributes values.
Uh-huh.
So S eliminations attributes values. So these many eliminations are there. Okay.
Uh-huh. These are all given by SAP only, right?
Yeah, those same eliminations I would show you once we will be. Then what happens like we assign in my selection, specify selected FS items for automatic postings.
Mhm.
This is my version. For balance sheet, item role this, sub item for
This is
PNL
PL.
YB99. So
Yeah.
this is what basically it will check. Will check 915 in your data. Also, it will check further. There must be, this is not my data. FS items to be carried forward. So these are the FS items which is supposed to be carried forward 317. So mostly
This
you would
is
see like your retained earning accounts in net income account is having this
900
317.
is sub item 900 is opening balance, right?
900 is,
Opening balance. 915 is a day to day transaction, right?
yes, 900 is opening balance. 915 is day-to-day transactions. And this is to enter the group share. I'll show you today in the consolidation monitor. This is data collection. So release task. Define method for uploading reporting. So ST, this is the method we are using. SRD2. So this is the, it is talking about field separator, use digit separation. So dot 00 means this is did separate decimal value.
Okay. We
All
can
those
change it,
things
right,
we can.
Gaurav?
Sorry.
We can edit this one.
Yeah, generally we don't edit this. We can try for it. I will not try today. We can edit for it, but generally like this is standard format what we had discussed. So accordingly it reads the data. If it is CSV file, if you try to either XLS or CSV file. So this in case of CSV file, you can just say like comma is your separate column. Okay, you wanted to make it comma file field separator, so you can put here comma. So like that you can make the changes. You can just copy
But the
this
edit option is not given, right? How do you
no,
edit?
you don't have to edit the standard one. Okay, you can copy and
Copy and
create your
okay.
own.
Oh, create.
Better you do always copy.
Okay.
Define task for manual posting, so we don't have any manual posting here. So these are the tasks. Balance carry forward 1010, data collection 1020, data collection reported data 1021, data collection
So
additional data collection.
these tasks will show you in data monitor, right? These are all the tasks, right? It will.
Yes, yes, yes. Once you will check the log, after performing the checking the log, you can see task logs. You can find like every task list here. Let's take last month. So here, currency translation. What happens here is currency translation. We further navigate here. So this is task 1100, right?
Okay.
Correct? Can you see that?
Yeah. So
1100 is your currency task. Can you see that?
Yeah, I can see that.
So means once you would be, running this step, this is basically what it is. This
That is
currency
not
translation.
applicable. Dash means not applicable, right?
Dash is not applicable. See, for US company code, our group reporting is in
Currency translation
USD.
is not required.
Yeah, so not applicable. This red color means, see, it could be, shown in a different color in different system. Okay. But when you see this line, means this is not applicable. And when you see this check,
Successful.
This is completed task. Okay.
Completed.
This we don't want. Okay. So we blocked this step. So
How
this
do you block it?
basically
How do you block the step?
we did
Block.
now. Like we
Uh-huh.
can right click here or you can click here block.
Okay. Okay.
To proceed further, you need to block this step.
So just one query
Reported
here.
reported data validation. So
Uh-huh.
whatever data we have pulled here, we validate those data. As I mentioned, asset liability, all those steps. So
So
reported
yeah.
data validation means
Uh-huh.
we have the task. Okay.
Uh-huh.
These are the tasks. What is getting triggered? Then
1090,
here we would be having methods. Methods will be assigned to your groups. So data
Segment
collection
one.
task with document type. So data collection type, task with document type. 1020 data collection. So here we have not signed anything. Additional data collection reported data. So we can specify you wanted to uh, specify any data. Otherwise, it will take the default, uh, document type. Currency translation we have discussed. Okay. So define currency translation methods. So this method, where do we assign? So these are my currency translation methods. Okay. So currency translation method we assign to our what we call it um, our consolidation group level. Okay. This is FI settings. You don't have to do anything. This is FI settings. If this is a separate system, then you need to maintain here also as well. So we also discussed about define selection. So if I go here and open a new system, and if I show you the data, FS items is okay. So FS items here, what action will be performed on which line item you can see here. Carry forward. So carry forward will be applicable for this case. FS item role. Okay. So if I data collection selection. So these are my selections. SA cash. Okay. So we need to, if I talk about, let's talk about this. So this currency translation selection for this particular FS item. Okay. This particular selection item. This is my selection SCT BSCLO. Okay.
Closing rate.
Balance sheet items closing rate. So we can check the defined selection here. So if I go and open this selection, sub item type will be 901. Basically, I wanted to show with the log once again. When we perform this task, task is translation method. This was got picked for this particular line item. Currency translation, right? So see this FS item. Why it's not showing the FS items? Let me take some other example. Hmm.
क्या है ये?
रुको ना बेटा, रुको।
ये क्या है? ये क्या है?
रुको रुको रुको, हाँ।
ये क्या है? ये क्या है? बोलिए, क्या है? बोलिए क्या है ये?
रुको 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 रुको।
ये क्या है? क्या है ये? बोलिए, क्या है? कर दे। बोलिए ना क्या है? क्या है? क्या है पापा? बोलिए क्या है? क्या है ये? पापा ये क्या है?
So this is my
पापा
method
ये क्या है?
which is getting picked. हाँ रुको बेटा, रुको।
ये क्या है पापा? पापा हाँ, हमको ज्यादा गुस्सा मत करो, मैं यही पढ़ूंगा। बोलिए क्या है ये? क्या है? बोलिए।
What was the method? It was going here. Task. S0903. S0903. You'll go here. It will check the method entries. So these are the selections. Okay. So selection where we can see that. We can see in my FS items, assigned in my FS item. Right?
Okay.
See here. Sorry.
Yeah, you can go ahead. In FS item,
We have defined the selection here.
And we are
and
assigning
where my this is where it is assigned to this particular
FS item.
selection. SCTBSC this. Okay. So this should be present in my method.
Can you show once
SCTBS yellow closing
so
INC. So this one. Okay.
No, this
Correct?
one has to be assigned to the FS item, right?
Sorry.
This method has to be assigned to the FS.
So this is this selection. This method is applicable for this selection as well.
Okay.
So this selection is saying कि whenever value is 1 equal to sub item is 901 and equal to this selection in my FS item. Financial item, statement item, currency translation. Okay. So here it will go and check. Okay, my this entry is having currency translation selection this. Means it is going to perform the currency translation based on this method. Now it will go back and check how it is maintained this currency translation method. It says exchange rate indicator C, right? So it will go back and check exchange rate indicator, what is maintained for exchange rate indicator C. So in the exchange rate indicator C, the exchange rate type is CLO. So it will go and check what is the exchange rate maintained for my currency and exchange rate type CLO. Got it?
Okay. So it will end up at last step is it will go
One
to
second,
the
my audio is not proper. 1 second, huh? Hello?
Yeah, I'm able to hear you.
Yeah, please tell me.
No, what I meant is the last step is it will pick the rate from the exchange rate table by referring to the closing exchange type.
Method has assigned with selections. Okay.
What is the difference between selection and method?
Hello.
Yeah, I'm able to hear you.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm able to hear
Hello.
you. I
Able
am
to hear
able
me,
to.
right?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
able to.
So when my sub item category is 1,
Hmm.
sub item type is 900, and my FS financial item currency translation, value is this.
Okay.
SCT BSCLO. Remember this.
Okay.
SCT
Okay.
BSCLO. This is
Okay.
SCT BSCLO.
Okay.
My value should be 900. Transaction type. This is my balance sheet. Balance sheet
Okay.
means sub item type is 1. For P&L, balance sheet type is 2. Right?
Correct. This
This
entire thing is
transaction
called
type should be
selection.
900.
Okay.
Yeah. This should be 900. 1 second. Let me just go and check the transaction type. Okay. So where you can see the transaction type? You can see in the data. FS items, this upload file. So upload file data. My FS item is 4 times 100.
Correct.
4 times. Let me select AE01. Okay.
Okay.
So this rate is only applicable to this line. Only this line. Okay.
That combination, entire combination, it will take and.
Yeah, 1 and 900. Okay. So this is the FS item, right? And when sub item category is 1, and this is upload balance. 900 is upload balance, right? So for this value, the translation will happen at this particular rate. Is that clear now?
Yeah, translation will happen that using that particular selection ID and method.
Correct. So every means you have very much, this is very important, attributes. When we are maintaining this data means, these are very important, attribute. When we are talking about FS item role, okay? When we are talking about role is kind of, you can, it- consider this like, selection, data collection, essay cache. So when my task will run for data collection, it will check my selection criteria based on this selection. Essay cache. Essay cache. So my selection will be based on this particular opening balance. Okay. When my value will be sub item category value will be 1, sub item will be 900. Okay. Sub item is basically 900 is your transaction type. And my selection assigned in my
Yes!
this is not there in my selection. There is no selection exist for this one because this is not the type selection. Okay. Let me cash flow selection. When we this will be
Yes.
okay. Let us consider this eliminations one. Okay. So let me go back to the company matching and reconciliation, reclassification. And when we define the methods, okay, so transport matching method, this is the method we have defined. Okay. Intercompany elimination sales, intercompany eliminations, balance sheet. So then we define the rules. Rules, I'm saying this is my trigger. Okay. When I say trigger, means whenever it will find the data of this trigger, SIUBSAR, intercompany trade receivables. 1 second, let me just go back and check the company balance sheet. Let me try this one. Sales, inventory, there is balance sheet. Yeah, in this case, selection trigger IUEBSAR. SIUEBSAR.
11
SIC.
Next one. You BS.
Trigger selection. And this method, when we talk about this method, we assign this, we link our this method. Let me select the, define selection, then define method. Validation task, manage data task, validation task. So every task, if I suppose it is this success, consolidation, validation, this. Validation task, if I is reported data validation. Version A C01. Okay.
What we are trying to do?
I see elimination sales. Let's take this one. So this CGM1. Where is my, so reclassification is S0, S2010. This is my reclassification, S2010, S2010. Yeah, this is sales eliminations. So if I just go here, this is my selection. So if I search SIUE so this we can find in my SIUE GP PL, SIUE PL, SIUE PL. Okay. So based on this, so if you look at this line item, okay, this is my, trigger for, this is my entry of sales of good, right? Sale of goods, right? And here we have maintained, uh, this is applicable for intercompany sales, eliminations. Okay.
Okay.
Elimination target will be this. It will be posted to this particular FS item. Okay. Means knock it off. That if I go to source destination, elimination target. So here we have mentioned in the elimination target. How should I explain you this point? Let me better run this transaction, okay? Or maybe let me run the report itself. So whenever system will find this particular entry, what entry? This one, okay? In my data. So data set, if I go and check, let me remove the filter and let me search for this particular line item. 41110. So this particular case, wherever we have the partner unit, okay? So this will be applicable for elimination. This is my intercompany transaction. This is all where we have the partner consolidation unit. This will be removed. Okay?
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah, I'm able to see here.
Let me run this, consolidation monitor. Then it will give you more clarity. Data monitor, then I will go to the consolidation monitor. So let's click on this step, update run. If I go and check the logs, it will show me the eliminated data. Let me refresh it. A01, A01, those line items, okay. This FS item, the value is will not match because this is now translated value. So 7603 has got eliminated. Can you see that?
Okay.
This is my trigger point and this is my postings. And the target here is This is my target. Change in investment 412100. Where is my FS item? Where is the target displayed here? 412100. Eliminated in this particular item. Is it clear? See here, we were having how much value? 7603. So this is my trigger. It found this particular FS item with consolidation partner unit, this much value, IN01. Okay. You can see here, it should be having CIN01. Can you see that?
Yeah.
30412. So 30412 divided by this equal to 30412 divided by 7603.
Currency rate it will be.
I think I did wrong. So it was the rate which was maintained, right? 2 point something. Remember?
Yeah. You can check in OB08, right?
AED2, okay. This line item is considering which rate? This is the question. So you can see like it is close to somewhere 2.5.
Yeah.
So it is not considering the closing rate. It must have been considering the average rate, because closing rate we take for the balance sheet item. This is my sales, which is P&L item.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got
Can
it.
you see that?
Yeah, I'm able to see.
So based on that, conversion happened. So now we have intercompany sales of this much value, which got eliminated.
That is in.
So are you been able to follow me how the eliminations is happening?
So you are setting up this configuration in consolidation monitor, right? This elimination. Wherever the partner unit is there in this data, upload data.
But the key parameter here is this eliminations target and elimination selection.
Okay.
Right? This elimination selection. Okay.
Target is nothing but that is FS item number, right?
FS item number means, see, you have this line item. You are going to credit this line item. So you need to have some offset entry, right?
Yeah, got it.
So this is getting offset in this particular line item.
And that is which partner unit? UK. Okay. UK 01.
UK 0. So it has so many line items. Okay. CN01, ES01. So it has so many, adjustment happening. For this value also adjustment is happening. For this value also adjustment is offset is happening. So this value also, this is the corresponding entry. For corresponding this also we might be having this entry. And for this entry we are having this entry. Okay. So this is the at the overall level. So this is basically
what else we will do in consolidation monitor. One is elimination and
See, these many, steps we need to perform. We go to data monitor. To consolidation monitor. First is intercompany sales, eliminations. Second is in inventory eliminations, intercompany inventory eliminations.
Okay. Third is
So you
intercompany
can
other
run
income.
this if it is applicable. If it is not applicable, if you don't have the data, then you can just block this step and you can proceed further. Okay.
Okay.
So inventory, I don't think we have data. We can just execute, it will be completed. But if in this case, you will not find any. In the log, if you go and check task, just go back. I see sales, I see inventory eliminations. So nothing success, but there is no data.
Okay.
It completely depending upon your this file, the upload file. Okay. If you have any data for eliminations, then it will only eliminate, right?
Yeah.
Then you need to perform this. You need to perform the next step. Suppose if other income is eliminations is there, you can just perform this step. If no data, then it will just complete the step, but it will not going to perform any action at this moment. But if ideally, if you have the data for other income eliminations, if anything related to intercompany, you have to eliminate those things.
Okay.
So I think we don't have, maybe balance it, we have something. If I just complete this step also, if I just go back and refresh it. So intercompany after intercompany company, what is the next step? Let me just go back. So it will also update your task logs, okay? Keeps updating your task logs. So intercompany other income expense also, there is no data, nothing has got eliminated. If data will be present, it will eliminate. Dividends, if there is any dividend, then it will eliminate. If we don't have data, then it will not do anything. Okay.
Okay.
Balance sheet, it will eliminate the data, intercompany balance sheet data. So we can know ki what is the 2040. If you have noticed, if you might have noticed, it was running the steps 2040. So basically, if I go to the configuration, reclassification, S2040, intercompany balance sheet. The trigger point is, this is your trigger point, this is your elimination target. Okay.
Okay.
Means any one of it should be assigned to your FS item, any of one of this selection, right? Otherwise, it will not be able to perform it. Then this is my method. Then task, reclassification task. So 2040, 2011, I see cell eliminations. So it has assigned methods, corresponding method. So if you are creating, the method is S2010. Okay. See, this is your one task. This is one task. What is this task? 2041, right?
Yeah.
So 2041 will check method. Method, this is my method. It will go back and check the assigned all the elimination selection trigger. So this is my method. And what are the assign selection triggers. It will check in your FS items. So wherever it will find those FS items, it will consider for eliminations. Additional character, just taking. You can just double click on this one. Target, like that you can define. Document type for reclassification. How can you identify the document types? So these are the document types. 1C on 1D. Number ranges should be assigned. So my version A, this is the number range assigned here. Reclassification for consolidation monitor. Sales balance sheet items. So it will be 2I. FS item with this role will be applicable for balance carry forward. These FS items will be for calculating the net income. Okay. For sub item this. Last time we saw that how this is. Okay, I'll show you the data. So now, if you go back and check the task, it will show key eliminations took place. Let's go, task logs, sales, then at the bottom we can see balance sheet. So these many balance sheet adjustment happening. Okay. This is my actual data which got reversed. Then this is the, target. Same thing if I just go back. Reports.
चलो छोटा तू तुमने कार चला चलो छोटा चलो चलो हाँ चलो चलो बाय छोटा मैं दिल्ली जा रहा बाय 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 भैया 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 भैया
So this will show you the consolidated data after reconciliation and everything. Document type, values. If I wanted to pull This is your consolidated unit wise data.
Okay.
This is reflecting here. If you remove it, then it will display the consolidated result.
How do you remove? How do you select this one?
You can just click and if you don't want to, so whatever is appearing here, so FS items, FS item is row wise. If I just click on here, it will go away. FS items, if I just click here, it will go away.
Okay.
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 No, FS items, I wrongly removed this one. Where is FS item? Okay. What I did, column row, FS items. I have to make it this way. Means I wanted to, bring it as a in the column horizontally or vertically. That's what it. So I have removed completely. I'll just go FS items. FS item. Just pull it here. So FS item wise, my consolidation unit wise balance. So if I just go and check 4110 sell cost of this sale of good. Okay. A01 this. So 110 and it got reconciled with this one, right? 41120, I think. What was the what was that particular FS item? We can check it in the data.
Which one?
No, the target. So it would have got adjusted with the target. You would see the
Elimination.
same minus balance. The target.
4112 4210. So that is what elimination, right?
Yeah. So you can adapt the filter here. You can apply the filter you by clicking here also. It got hanged, not working. So you can apply the filter from here also.
Okay.
Filter value 411120. Let me try this one. We can search in the file itself, na? Consolidation FS item. Four one one one. Yeah, so this is my sale of good. So the target for this case is target for elimination is 412100. So you can search here 412100. This 20 belongs to your adjustment. Yeah, side adjustment.
0 is captured from AC Docker, right? Anything 0.
What is? Sorry.
Posting level 0 means coming from AC Docker, right?
Right. Correct. that is coming from there. So this is how your overall consolidation monitor works. So manual eliminations, if you wanted to perform, if you don't want to perform, you just click on update run. Will not do anything here. So we are not going to post any journal entry. We don't want any. Group level also we can post the journal entry. Now let's prepare consolidation group. Update run. Actually, you already performed this data. So that's why preparation of consolidation group changes. If any change like divestiture or anything, we need to change here. Okay. Calculate group share percentage. So here we can calculate the group share percentage. 100% like this. Holding. Now if so I'll make, if suppose I'm, I don't want the further. So let me just show you where do we enter the group share.
Maybe Mani sir, we can do it tomorrow from here so that morning.
Okay, fine.
I will also look and I'll come back.
Yeah, so here we, for each consolidation unit wise, suppose my consolidation unit, like we have total 10 units, right? So it is showing over here. Okay. So here we basically, we select the consolidation unit. So for example, A01, then FS items, remember S001 something we have selected. Group share percentage. So here we enter the quantity. How much, we have investment in A01. So for example, 80%. So we'll put here 80%. Okay. Based on that, NCI will get calculated. Okay. Okay, fine. Let's connect tomorrow.
Tomorrow at what time?
Okay. Morning time is fine. We can connect
10,
in the
right?
morning.
10.
Yeah, 10. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Bye. Take care.
Bye. Thank you.